Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty and unboxing videos. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and I'm super excited for it because it's the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween mystery box. I have had a look at some unboxings because I was a little impatient, but the good thing is everyone got different things, so it makes me even more excited. So yeah, let's open it up and see what's inside. So first up we have a t-shirt which says "Can't relate," and it actually looks quite large, so it might even be like a dress. Next we have a liquid frost, which is one of the blue ones. I haven't looked at the shade name yet, but I kind of hope it's Frostitute because I really loved the like green shift in that, if I'm remembering it correctly. And I don't actually own it. Okay, it's Michigan Ice. And I can't remember what that one looks like, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. I don't own any of the liquid frosts at the moment, but from what I can see, it kind of looks like a bluish silver, unless that's just the frost. And if I remember correctly, you pump it, then open it. Ooh, that squirts out heaps. So it's like a bluey colour. I haven't rubbed it in obviously, but I'm just going to apply some of that to my cheeks. I don't know, my camera's probably not picking it up because of the lighting in here, but it's super sparkly and blue and I really like it. Next we have the gloss in the shade Crystal Climax. I personally am not a fan of gloss products, but that's personal preference. Let's open it up and see what the shade looks like. This is the shade. Let's just try a little bit over this lipstick. This lipstick, by the way, that I'm wearing is Dominatrix from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics range. Okay, so it doesn't feel too sticky on the hand. It feels a bit sticky on my lips, probably because of the lipstick. I don't know. But either way, it does team nicely with Dominatrix Velour liquid lipstick. I know what this is and I am super excited. The Mini Breaker palette. I don't actually own this palette, so I'm super excited. I'm absolutely loving Foreplay and Oral and Bite Me, which are Oral and Bite Me. So this is Oral and then Bite Me. Next we have a lip ammunition in the shade Snow Cone. I love this colour and obviously the packaging. So Snow Cone looks like this. I'm curious to see what this will be like. That's going in my lipstick stand even though there's no room in there. And then we have a Velour liquid lipstick. And this one's in the shade Christmas Cookie. I do have this in the mini version from the Nude Volume 2. Full size and mini. Do a little swatcheroo and show you guys what it looks like. So that is what it looks like when it's almost completely dry. Next we have a Halloween Skin Frost, which is an exclusive item to these boxes. And the shade is called Mystery Frost. When you mix it all together, it goes like this. So gorgeous golden colour. And although I don't think this will be light enough for my skin tone, it will still be gorgeous as an eyeshadow. And last but not least, my first Jeffree Star Cosmetics Star Mirror. Super lightweight, good size to see your whole face in, which means now that I've got this, I won't have to reach around and try and find a palette with a mirror if I'm using a palette that doesn't have a mirror built in. So my thoughts on this mystery box. Well, this is the second mystery box I have gotten from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I have to say it is my absolute favourite one. I didn't do an unboxing on the first one I got, which was back when they first released mystery boxes, so around this time last year. But yeah, I am so happy that everyone got variations of products because it left it as more of a mystery. I absolutely loved it. Everything in there I will use. I'm not too sure on the gloss, but it does look really nice with dominatrix. Jeffree and his team really nailed it this time around. I would have loved to be able to have purchased the mystery liquid lipsticks, which were exclusive to the boxes. But yeah, I'm happy that I got an exclusive item. I'm also really happy that I got my first Jeffree Star Cosmetics mirror, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.